you. Thank you so much for having me tonight. And it's so good to see you guys and to get to know each other. I think it's super important to get to know the people in the slow fashion. And I'm basically here for the brands LOVJOI and ThokkThokk. And latest, we onboarded another brand, which is a shoe brand from Barcelona. It's called Rice. And I am actually, I don't want to talk so much about product because I think we heard a lot, and I totally agree with all of your philosophies. And I think everyone here tries to have the best and most sustainable and most social product. Our approach is more or less the same as Bleed and as Armed Angels. So we are contemporary fashion brand that tries to have like fashionable collections. What I actually face right now as a problem when I onboarded the Rice shoes, I saw that there's a huge problem when we talk about if we want to have a shoe. Let's just take this as a product, but it's about every product. But let's take the shoe because it has many components. You need to decide if you want to go for a natural composition, a recycled composition, or a recyclable. I think every one of us would like to have the 100% circularity. But if you have a product with so many components, like you have, like, for example, in the pure products, they are really high technology, or in a shoe, as soon as you have more than cotton, you need to consider the circularity and the approach if you want to go for more natural or for more recycled components. And I think this is one of the problems that we have to, work on the next years. Then the second thing, what I am actually working on, and what is kind of my heart of project from the bottom of my heart. When I started, I was the founder of LOVJOI, by the way, and when I started 2014, I was kind of, I didn't start to just produce fashion or to make it better or to make it greener. I wanted to change the supply chain, but also the circle in terms of retail and second life cycle. So what I'm talking about is that we still have a problem. We have the same problem in the slow fashion that we have in the fast fashion right now. If you want to be competitive with the fast fashion, you need to act like the fast fashion in everything but the product. Means we have green products, but we are behaving like fast fashion brands. We have overproduction, we have mass consumption, we have sales right in the season. And I don't want to blame anyone here, but I saw it already in slow fashion as well. So I see fashion brands, and even my own brands are going in sales too. So I think we need to change the whole supply chain and the whole industry to get to a more sustainable fashion circle, fashion whatever. So what I am working on is made to measure. So let's produce less, but fitting more to the consumers. Let's produce more on demand. I already have one production from LOVJOI, which is here in Germany in our headquarters. I have already the possibility to do the on-demand thing. But of course, this is not working for the whole fashion industry right now. So we is AI-based machine learning solution and new technologies, so-called micro-factories that are more regional, more close to the brands, more close to the customers. So we need to really overthink the whole industry and not just the product. The product is a very well start, and it's what we have to sell to the customer, and what it has already a huge impact on the environment to use better materials. Second-hand fashion is the future. It's the most growing market right now. But it's not a solution. We need to talk about the real solutions, and we need to talk about the real solution to change the industry and not just to do the same just in green. So that's why I'm here and what I would like to talk about with you.